You never expect to be in a dire situation, but it's good to be prepared in case one occurs. Your phone is a great tool in case of an emergency, but don't rely on it after all, it can get wet, break, or run out of battery. You could be setting yourself up for trouble if you don't have the right equipment to get yourself out of a bind. That's why roadside emergency kits are so important to have in any car, SUV, or truck. So in this video we will discuss 5 best car emergency kit. Don't worry, you will not face any hassle to find the product links. I will include the product links in the description. Number 1. LIFELINE 4388 AAA Excursion Road Emergency Kit. The American Automobile Association, better known as AAA, rescues about 30 million stranded motorists a year. It knows something about roadside emergencies, and that makes this broad coverage roadside car kit a fantastic place to start. It includes a good first aid kit with a guide, good quality 8-gauge jumper cables, an aluminum LED flashlight, with batteries, cutting blades, bungee cords, zip ties, a roll of duct tape and a basic tool kit, a flare-replacing reflective triangle, work gloves and rain poncho. Yet one of the things that separates this auto emergency kit from most others is its compact, 12-volt powered air compressor, which allows you to refill tires wherever you find yourself. There's even a fleece scarf, gloves and a winter hat to help keep you warm if you're waiting. Finally, if the thought of fixing flats and emergency shelter leaves you feeling a little unsettled, the AAA Excursion Roadside Emergency Car Kit offers one more valuable item, an Auto Club membership brochure with discount, so rescue will never be too far away. Number 2. LIANXIN Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit. We like this roadside kit because it packs a lot in a compact soft case at a more modest price. The LIANXIN Roadside Assistance Emergency Kit has all the emergency item essentials: 8-foot jumper cables, a tow strap with hooks, an emergency blanket, reflective wear, gloves, tape, a seatbelt cutter and window smashing safety hammer, a very basic first aid kit with adhesive bandages and a flashlight, in this case hand cranked, so you don't have to worry about batteries. The tool kit has a metal hammer and solid snipping pliers, and there are a bunch of atypical safety kit extras here. Those include a range of 12-volt fuses, a plastic sweep/snow shovel, and even a compass if your phone dies. On the downside, the LIANXIN Emergency Car Kit lacks 2 hugely valuable items: an air compressor and tire repairing potential. Yet for this price, you could buy a small 12-volt tire inflator and a bottle of slime and still beat the cost of some more expensive car emergency kits. Number 3. PHAIK Car Emergency Roadside Kit. The PHAIK Emergency Roadside Toolkit is a perennial top seller on Amazon, and it isn't difficult to see why. It has all the essentials, in decent quality, including 12-foot jumper cables and a 10,000-pound tow rope. The toolkit is above grade, with a fully adjustable wrench, Allen wrenches and a tape measure. There are even a couple anti-COVID face masks. Yet what sets this emergency car kit apart is the undertire traction strips and a real, compact, military-style spade shovel with saw blade edge. Oddly, for a winter kit, the PHAIK Emergency Roadside Toolkit lacks something important: that emergency mylar blanket. That can be handy if you're stuck on the South Dakota prairie in a driving snowstorm. You can add 4 of those here for about $15. Number 4. Ready America 70280 72-hour emergency kit. This car emergency kit includes none of the things that might get you going again during a roadside emergency: no jumper cables or flat tire repair, no tow rope, no utility tools, traction aids or flashlight. But in the worst case, none of those tools will get you going anyway, and what actually is in the Ready America emergency kit could mean the difference between successfully waiting things out or, well, you get it. A decent first aid kit, 2 emergency mylar blankets, face masks and latex gloves, a loud whistle and 2 12-hour glow sticks. Then there's enough food and water to sustain 2 hungry people for 3 days. The food is 4,800 calories of cholesterol-free nutrition bars. The water is packaged in multiple 125 milliliter pouches that fit nicely in the small, backpack-style carrying case. Both the food and water in this survival kit are packed in temperature-resistant plastic foil with a 5-year shelf life. The typical car enthusiast likely has spare tools, jumper cables, and even a tire inflator lying around the garage. Number 5. Swiss Safe 2-in-1 Hard Case Emergency Kit. The Swiss Safe 2-in-1 Emergency Roadside Car Assistance Kit is about average when it comes to the broader range of potential roadside emergencies. It has essentials like jumper cables, some tools, a reflective vest, a rain poncho, a bungee, wool gloves, and an emergency blanket. It offers no tire repair options or tow rope, and while it comes with glow sticks, it has no flashlight, though a lot of us will have one in the glove box anyway. This car emergency package balances mediocre roadside emergency mitigation features with a first aid kit suited for an emergency room physician, packed in a self-contained hard case. The first aid kit package includes trauma shears, tweezers, an instant ice pack, a vast array in size and types of bandages, gauze pads, medical tape, finger splints, a sling, tongue depressors, antiseptic cleaning pads and ointments, wound adhesive, and a full first aid guide. There's also a smaller, pull-out first aid kit pack you can bring on the trail to the scenic overlook. It's the full-service first aid kit that separates this roadside emergency kit from the pack. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.